Want to get away? Maybe you will if the storms hit tonight like we know they might, which is why we've got a WFA weather alert. Checking in with Marielle.
Yeah, and before we get to that WFA weather alert, it's going to be pretty warm. It's going to be toasty out. I want to show you, Chris, can you please pan to our tail wagger right now? She's doing a full-on sploot. We can't, this is prime TV.
A canine sploot.
Look at that. That's how it feels out, you know. Oh, yep. There you go. Wow, that's adorable. Okay, so she knows. She just came in from outside. I mean, it's warm, it's humid, and all of that ahead of our WFA weather alert day. Thank you, Chris. WFA weather alert day. Overnight tonight, it's going to be anywhere from midnight to 4 in the morning. Now, this is specifically the most active time period for us in DFW. It changes depending on where you are in North Texas, and I'll show you that. We have a cold front moving in. It's going to have the potential to produce thunderstorms with up to quarter-size hail and up to 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts, as well as the brief heavy rain and the lightning. No, it does not mean that everyone sees severe storms, but the potential is there to see a few scattered severe storms. Make sure to have a way to get those warnings. Our WFAA app is a great way to do that. And make sure to have WFAA Plus on your smart TV, because if those thunderstorms start to really ramp up, we will be on WFAA Plus alerting you of the latest updates. Our severe weather outlook, like I said, does include Ellis, Dallas, Rockwall, Collin, portions of Hunt County towards the west. The big portion of North Texas, it's a slight risk. It's a level 2 out of 5. And again, the risk, mainly the hail and the strong wind potential. The tornado threat looks very low at this point. Right now, we're just seeing the cloud cover out. It's warm, it's humid. Temperatures are going to be climbing into the upper 80s today. You see a few scattered showers. These are actually left over from a few thunderstorms that we saw along our west earlier in the morning. Meanwhile, what we're watching today, this is around 4, are 2 potential rounds. The first one comes from this dry line. This dry line could help produce some thunderstorms. If those take shape, it'll just be a few isolated thunderstorms. The main line of showers and thunderstorms comes along that front. So let's take you through the evening. I'm going to stop the clock around midnight because that's about the time that we do see that front working its way into northwestern portions of DFW. This is about where we could expect that front. And those thunderstorms, like I said, will line themselves up along this front. This front will work its way into the Metroplex between midnight and 2 in the morning. And then after that, those storms generally weaken the more southeast they go. Does everyone see severe weather? No, but it is going to be kind of a loud night as these storms are working their way through the area. So around 4 in the morning, the threat pushes south of DFW. We'll still be watching these storms, but a lot of this starts to thin out. 7 in the morning, we could be dealing with dry conditions. I think the roads will still be wet, but I think a lot of the shower activity will have really cleared out. Meanwhile, this front stalls. Because that front is stalling, we have added rain chances just about every day the remainder of the week. But the most active time period this week and the most likely to see the strong storms will be tonight. That's where we have our 70% coverage. 20% coverage for Wednesday morning, just as those storms are thinning out. On Thursday, 20% coverage of rain for areas to our northwest. On Friday and Saturday and Sunday, we're looking also at slim rain chances, mainly for the northern third of North Texas. 1 to 2 inches of rain, not completely ruled out this week, just because we do have a few rounds of rain that we are tracking. But again, the most concentrated area of storms that we'll see will happen tonight. Temperatures overall are going to be in the upper 80s today, lower 80s tomorrow, and then right back to the 90s come Friday, Saturday, and Sunday.